2 babby trout. More than happy with that. Right then guys, so I hope you all had an absolutely great Christmas. I had an absolutely great day. And we're going to be doing a giveaway in this episode as well, like the episode the other week. We're going to be giving away a heated jacket because it's going to be a cold few months that we've got to get through before spring arrives, you know what I mean? So yeah, make sure you go down below, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, make sure you subscribe. And in the next episode, which is going to be a big fishing match, the hangover fishing match, I'll announce both winners of both of those competitions. So yeah, man. And if you haven't gone and watched my diving with sharks video yet, please go watch that video. Absolutely amazing day. So yeah, let's get straight into this episode, shall we? Let's go. Guys, well, for today's episode, we're on the Nid in Nesborough. Absolute beautiful place, and I was praying the whole time I was driving down here that it wouldn't have any colour in it, and it is crystal clear, absolute crystal. Been down here a lot over summer, to be fair. I've even swam to that rock before now. Are you filming?
Yeah.
There's a lot more people here in summer though. Just seen a fish top as well, hopefully. Can pick up a couple of trout or a couple of grayling today. That's what I'm after really. Which is a fish we've never actually featured on the channel. But this is the time of year for it. Absolute beautiful place as well. Great part of the country. On the other side it's a lot deeper, a lot of overhanging trees, just getting across, that's all. Hey-ya! This is what gets me out of bed on a cold winter morning though. Thought of sitting there all day just hoping for a bite. It's a bit of a nightmare. At least with this I get to have a bit of adventure as well. Here we go, look. A bit deeper. Some overhanging trees. Found a decent spot. Perfect. Quietly wander out here. Quiet as I can anyway. This looks like a prime spot straight under that tree there. There's going to be a spot anywhere today. Just seen a fish top there and a fish top there. This is going to be the spot. This is where we caught pretty much 90% of the fish out of this river. Let's see if she holds out today. Well, maybe I should bring a shorter rod with me because it is quite tight around here. Let's have a couple of casts, shall we? No fish over that side, we're literally in the peg straight across there where that rock is. Usually there's some fish lingering about under those trees, but we had a lot of casts, a lot of run through, there's no fish. So we've scaled it right down now to a size 20 with just nicking a centimetre long piece of worm tail off. Just sending that through now. Slowly as well, it's going through so slowly, so something should pick it up. Its presentation will be perfect. We had a quick wander up the other side, but not really fishable. So I decided to come over this side, and I know all this side's really fishable. A lot of overhanging trees to get myself under. But I'd rather be doing this than sat catching out, so at least it's an adventure in itself, man, just getting out and about, wandering. Just hope we don't get skunked. Fingers crossed we don't. He ain't blanked as the lad. That is a fish. Ho ho! How is it took that? What sort of fish is it? Yes. He ain't blanked. What are you? Babby trout. Looks like a babby trout, that. Let's get him back. Hoo-hoo! Definitely a little babby trout. Send him back, shall we? Go on, there you go, there you go. He's out of here. That counts, I'm telling you now, that counts as not a blank. In again, he's in again. Another one. Just as it gets near the bridge, it starts, the float just starts dabbing about, and like something like these are attacking it, and wham! A little bit bigger babby trout. Ho ho! Oh, he wants to be off, Perler, absolute perler. They'll do me today. Hee hee. Go on, big lad. There he goes, look. 2 babby trout. More than happy with that. Right then guys, so we're all done down here now. So we've had a great day, to be fair. I love adventuring like today. I'm warm as anything, whereas if I've been sat there all day waiting for a bite, I'd have been absolutely freezing. And we managed to catch a couple of fish, which is absolutely great. A couple of baby little trout, but yeah, on a cold, like, it's like 4 degrees today. Cold, 4-degree December afternoon, you know what I mean? I'm more than happy to catch those fish. If I had a bit more time, probably could have caught something a little bit bigger, but yeah, I'm more than happy with the fish that we caught. Beautiful stuff. So yeah guys, I hope you go down below, hit that subscribe button. We've got some bangers coming over the next couple of weeks. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, and I shall see you in the next episode. Bye.